Welcome to the online workshop on delivery conditions combined with the minimum delivery quantity. In this video, we will guide you through the various purchasing options, show you where to find the grower's delivery conditions, and explain what happens if you do not meet the minimum purchase quantity or times. Growers have delivery conditions where they tell until what time orders can be placed and when they can be delivered, which may vary per delivery location. They also indicate whether a minimum order quantity per delivery applies. If you have specific agreements regarding times or minimum orders with a grower, the grower can create a customer-specific delivery condition for you. Floriday sends notifications when you as a buyer do not meet the grower's minimum order quantity. This way, you will know that an order is not yet confirmed, and we can alert you that you need the order to secure your purchase. Additionally, if you as a buyer order through your own software, the delivery time may differ from the grower's delivery times. If your delivery time does not match the grower's delivery times, we ask you to adjust your delivery time to the grower's times or contact the grower to create customer-specific delivery conditions, if there is a specific agreement. I will now show you where to find a grower's delivery conditions in Floriday for a specific grower. I will also show you where we display this when you want to place an order and the notifications you get. First, I will show you where to view the grower's delivery conditions. Open the menu at the top left by clicking on the three lines. In the menu, you will see the section Match and Connect. Click on it and then select Network again to enter your network using the search bar. You can look up the growers whose delivery conditions you want to see. Click on the grower's name and you will now be on the grower's page where you can find all general information about the company. Here you will also see the section Delivery Conditions. It is also possible to search by your delivery location so that you can directly see the delivery conditions that apply for you. From here, you can go to the shop to see the grower's offerings. All offerings in the shops are linked to the information the grower has filled in their delivery conditions. Click on Shop to see the offerings for the chosen delivery moment and see the shopping cart to see which delivery moment has been selected. If you want to order for a different location or time, change it before placing anything in the shopping cart. When you put an item in the shopping cart, you will see if you meet the minimum delivery quantity. If so, you can place the order. Besides ordering to a specific grower shop, you can also order via the Explorer. Here you also have the option to see a grower's delivery conditions. I will show you where to find this. Click again at the three lines on the top left, open the menu and click on Explorer. Choose Purchase here. Here you see the offerings of multiple growers. When you hover over a grower's name, you can also see the delivery conditions of that grower. This way, you can see the minimum order quantity before ordering and avoid surprises. When placing orders here, you can see when the minimum order quantity is not met. We also inform you with a notification an hour before the final order moment. If I now order one package from the Explorer, you will see that a warning icon remains at the top right if the order does not yet meet the grower's conditions. You can click on this to see why the warning icon is displayed. From here, you can easily order additionally via the button to see the full range of this grower and complete the order. If the order meets the minimum order quantity, it automatically becomes a placed and confirmed order. It is also possible that you have already left the Explorer purchasing screens in Floriday, so you cannot directly take action on the warning icon. Therefore, we also send a notification an hour before the final order moment to inform you when you do not yet meet the minimum order quantity. From the notification, you can click through the sales orders, but for now I will click directly through the sales orders from the screens. Click again on the three lines at the top left and go to Purchase Orders. Here you see a notification that an order does not yet meet the minimum order quantity, and we do not confirm the order until it does. You can see this by the orange shopping cart icon at the end of the row. When you click on the tile at the top right, you get an overview of these orders. Here you can click on the date at the delivery moment to open the order progress screen. From here, by clicking on the warning icon, you enter a screen with more information about the relevant order. You can see until when you can reorder and how much you still need to reorder to get the order confirmed. You can also directly go to the growers offerings in the shop and from here to complete the order if desired. You now know where to find the delivery conditions of growers and the notifications you can expect when you do not meet the minimum order quantity or times. You'll receive notifications both on the screens and via email. The actions to reorder can also be done in your own software package to meet the minimum order quantity from there. Thank you for watching.